this will be the last one of the day. Don't go. This one is very juicy. I tell you first, okay? So, Nicholas, I pass to you, all right? Give you the...
All right. Awesome. So the last one is very juicy, you know. A lot of men here. So the lady, please stand by, huh? You want to close your ear. But this is called life, yeah? I'll mute Dr. Najim first. Okay, hi, Dr. Najim.
Hey, hi, Nicholas. How are you?
Hi, wonderful.
Man, all the juice that I have is all done, is all finished. It took too long.
Oh, no. All that is surface. Now is this now was above. Now we talk about below.
Okay.
Yeah, basically
right.
we're all adults. There's nothing to shame about, nothing to
Absolutely.
Yeah, so we want to share.
Yeah.
Dr. Najim is not just one, several of his friends, even in Jihad also here, all are experiencing wonderful during this during Kangen water. We have the time is not a lot. We just share as juicy as possible. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, as in general, as if you know, as men, you know, I thought this is supposed to be men only. So now we've been talking about other things. But to be honest, what the main physical difference between men and women is that two things is either with our muscles and mass buildup and our reproductive organs. Let's put it that way, not using very nasty words. Okay. So really, this is the two things. And I can tell your guys, I mean, you've seen all the videos and the pictures about the people with the bodybuilders. So I'm not going to talk about that, but let me talk about the reproductive parts of our body, if you like. Okay. Which is not many people really talk about it, as you know, being a shy topic to talk about. But what really struck me good is that my first sale ever with my Kangen business was actually because of that. So a friend of mine, you know, came to visit me from Iraq, and you know, we asked for a demo. So we were doing a demo together with the wife of my other friends, which is together sitting there. So I was talking, and then in the end, he was telling me, "Why did you finish the demo? What, you didn't talk about the other parts? You talk about all the other parts, but that part you didn't talk." I tell him, "Well, we are in a kind of restricted environment because, you know, the wife is sitting there." So he said, "Then how?" So I tell him, "Okay, what we will do, let's finish up this, and then I will talk to you." So actually, he asked me these things. What did the Kangen water did for that reproductive parts of the body? So to be honest, as being an Iraqi, I did not see at that time. I did not see any increase in strength. I did not see any increase in length. I did not see any increase. But what I did really see is that increase in feeling, increase in sensitivity, which was really very interesting part. Because, you know, I to be honest, myself, you know, I have my grandfather have baby at the age of 82. So Iraqis don't have problem with strength. Let's put it that way. Okay. Okay. Ladies, if you don't want to hear that, please close your ears. Okay. All right. But anyway, so really he took
the
that.
lady here also. Yeah,
I will touch on the lady a bit later, okay? But the idea. So really, he took that at heart immediately, and he said, "Okay, can we go and buy the machine tomorrow?" Which was, by the way, Sunday. So I tell him, "No, we cannot do that Sunday. Let's do it on Monday." And that was actually my biggest sale. And it grows up to be one of my biggest, let's say, it actually, up till now, is about 10 different machines come from that source alone. So to be honest, this also sells. You guys focus on heart, cancer, other things, you know, skin, but this also is very important for the men. So you try to find out your client, what he's actually looking for, what kind of things that he needs improvement, and that for sure. And the reason for, in my opinion, is because when the Kangen water goes into the body, first is this detoxification, because what it did, it actually enlightened, let's put it that way, it make the blood lighter. And when the blood lighter, it actually works better on these particular organs. It gives you a better strength. It gives you a longer strength. It gives you also the feeling, which is what really was very interesting. I mean, you can actually feel it much, much better than before. So what happened to my friend is I tell him, okay, since it's Sunday, let me give you some water to drink. And then what he did, he drank the water, and the next day he was really shouting on me on the phone. He called me very early in the morning and was shouting. And I tell him, what happened? And I was thinking there's something wrong happened to him. So he said, man, you know, you won't believe how long I lasted. so it actually make him to go on with it, to even go further, to actually have the machine and even create bigger things for other people in Iraq. So it was really very, very, very interesting story. But to be honest, to talk about myself, it really helps in terms of the feeling and the sensation. And for the ladies, I mean, I have give water to many. At the beginning of my business, or at least my journey with the Kangen, I used to give water to about 50 families in Iraqis and Malaysian in Malaysia. And some of the ladies that I used to give water to, you know, just I kind of privately asked them, how did you feel? And their testimony was, again, I'm not going to mention names because they tell me don't mention any names, but the idea, it's really what they're talking about is the sensation first. I mean, it's increased the sensation quite tremendously, and then also increase their how do I call the liquids, which make the process much easier. Okay, so it's really, really very, very interesting, very, very interesting, because really when you look at it helped the whole body, not a single part of the body that actually not being benefited from Kangen. And this is really interesting. I mean, for me, from the hair to the toes, it's actually all affected. I mean, you look at my hair, I don't know whether you can see it or not, but, you know, I'm a 56 years old, and, you know, I've actually done nothing. My friends all totally white. So with that, I mean, I still have some white stuff on my beard, but the fact really it helps a lot. I mean, look at that. It's really amazing things. And
how about the other hair?
Which one you mean?
The bottom hair.
Well, that one you want to get rid of it, not keep it long. Yeah, okay. So it's effectively that one, and it's still really amazing me until today. I mean, like tonight, I have a case, a friend of mine from Cambodia, who actually called me, and he called me a week ago, and he said, Doc, can I give this my mother? Apparently his mother is about 85 years old, and she having a lot of knees problems and all that. So I tell him, absolutely, you should try it, and you should get her straight to 9.5. And tonight, before the conference, he actually called me and he said, Doc, you know what? My mother just called me and said, a total improvement. I mean, she can walk with no pain. She can actually go onto the shop around her area. She used to be only in the house. 85 years old lady, and she now brought the whole kampung, the whole village around her. She's interested into actually drinking the water. So just look at the potential of this. I mean, it's not just the health that you feel in. It's not the sensation you feel in. It's not the improvement that you can feel, not the anti-aging properties, but actually the effect on other people. To be honest, everybody I share water with, or I share the business, never complain. It always say, thank you, doctor, for bringing this idea to me. And that was really very amazing things in this business. That's the only things that it ever happened to me in Kangen, not other businesses that I've been before.
Dr. Najim, can I say something?
I know. Yeah, please go ahead.
Ask something. Some men, I mean, very open. Some men, of course, men, when you're, I'm straightforward, your dick or your weapon does not work. I'm just very open. I'm just straightforward. You know, these are men sessions. We are human beings. When a man organ are not function well, their confidence will drop. You know, their man will drop. Can I agree with you? And there are books, and there are few of my elderly customer. They use Viagra. You know, they use Viagra, but
absolutely, which is
they don't use Viagra. So with that, he actually gained back some respect from the wife. You know, I mean, very honest. You know, very honest, and self-confidence came back.
And I think that is the most important. It's a self-confidence part. Yes, absolutely. And I tell you, the ladies was telling me amazing stories about that. You know, I really cannot talk about it here, but not just the men, but the ladies of the same effect. Okay, but even though actually the men required a bit more because you know we are the producing part. You know, we have to go external. You know, the ladies all internal, but we do external. So we need extra push. So my advice to a lot of people who have that, I've never really met anybody who has totally zero function, but I have another friend of mine who was saying like he was saying I'm 50%. You know, so what I told him actually, instead of drinking the amount of water that you know going into your weight or according to your weight, try to increase that say by another liter or two and see what is the effect. And in a couple of weeks later, he said, "Doc, you won't believe it." I mean, he said it's gone up to 80%. So I don't know how he measured that, but the idea it is really amazing. I mean, the things about it, it's you won't believe it. And I said, guys, use it. Don't shy of using this because it's really helps a lot of people to gain their confidence, to gain their sense of well-being, which is very important for the men and the ladies, by the way, both. Okay.
Yeah. By the way, this session is recorded. Again, disclaimer: we are not a Viagra. Kangen water, again, it's not Viagra. It doesn't help you.
Okay.
But it really works because, as you said, it detox and then it helps your body gain back and receive some. I mean, very simple. Our organ receive the right minerals in the water, and our organ product, it functions by itself, right?
Yeah.
So,
but you see, most. If we want to look at some of these cases, I mean, my understanding is why you have this dysfunction. It's actually is either there is a blockage, or there is what they call you know the reception of the blood is not really good enough. So with the Kangen water, you have two things. You have the cleaning of these pipes, which is very important, and then also they're talking about the valve on top, which is actually will function even better. So what happened is now you'll be able to hold the blood, so you will actually last longer, and that is really very important. Yeah, and the control part, you control it also. It's very important.
All right, I know you're gonna keep talking.
Wow.
There is the one word we call it's not excited. It's called sex-cited.
well, I was worried about Elijah, whether he's gonna be too excited, you know. Just now, but I think he's there already.
Next week, I will want you to do a live demo.
No, not with me. Thank you very much.
Okay, guys. All right, guys. I just want to add something. When you hear a story like this, you might think, serious. This is like snake oil. You talk about it. Do you know that Dr. Shinya write it in the book? Dr. Shinya wrote it in the book. Drink Kangen water can help to improve your potency. All right.
Okay.
So check it out. Actually, Dr. Shinya wrote it down.
Okay. This book was written. You can drink before you start your movie. You know, what's it? Movie, or before you start your game, or before you start your love making. I'm very straightforward. You know, I don't beat around the bush. 1 hour before, drink 500 ml of 9.5. Then 1 hour later, you go on. This written in Dr. Hiromi Shinya book. You know, he's talk about before you want to have sex or whatever, drink Kangen water 1 hour before. So guys, tonight go and try. I'm gonna try tonight. See, I don't know about you. Now it's 10:45. I'm gonna drink Kangen water. Then I'll start my show 11:45. Well, before we end, I'm gonna share with you this also. It was shared with me by one of the senior lady client. Of course, me and them are quite close. She said that even now at her age, about 50 over, you know, basically dryness. Yeah. So in the dryness, there is not pleasure in having intercourse. But after drinking Kangen water, she said that she gained back some wetness. I'm very honest. I'm very straightforward. Gained back some wetness. So how could it possible? So again, guys, I again disclaimer, if you want to rely on drugs, go ahead. Drugs will relate to another called side effect. But Kangen water, there's no side effect. Use it freely. And even though another one I've shared with 3 elderly men. Guys, I'm very honest with you. Your father or your uncle, if they are having this called urine issue, they can't urine out, take very long time, yeah, prostate issue, you give them Kangen water, ask them to drink 1 cup 500 ml, 1 hour later another cup of 500 ml, they will tell you that when they urine, they say, hey, apa air ni? Kencing lawas. Yeah, so Kangen water, it helps them. So I've tested 3 elderly men. 3 elderly men told me it's amazing. Thank you for the water. So, Sifu Jin,
Thank you, Nick.
you
know,
tonight
I've been with Kangen water 8 years. According to my research, not research, my notice, most of the time at home is the ladies who ask the men to drink more water. Okay.
Oh, why?
Now you guys know why. Okay? Check it out. Every family, without fail, it was the wife who asked the husband. He said, "Go drink more water. Drink more water." Drink more. Now,
So next
now
time,
we understand why. Okay.
I think
Right.
next time,
Thank you, guys.
when those husband and wife are in the business together, when the wife asks your husband to drink water, you say, "Okay, I'll see you in 1 hour later." Yeah.
All right. Thank you,
All right.
guys. All right. It is
Awesome.
now 10:43, but it was such wonderful session. All right. Okay. So what happened? Your body, my body, 70% is water. Change the water, change your life. Okay. That's all. Our body can heal ourselves. Just have to give it the right water.
Yes.
So next week, next Monday, we'll have another session. This time it will be Mandarin. I will be hosting it together with Sifu Alfred Chan. And you know Sifu Alfred Chan, he also got a lot of funny stories.
Alfred Chan, talk about men.
Yes, he's going to show you how to do maybe even facial, right? Okay. Now, so all right. So thank you very much for everything. We just want to thank you for being with us. Thank you for all those men that have shared this with us. We have recorded down. Okay. I hope that you will watch the video again. So it's so enjoyable, right? Thank you very much. Do drink more water, whether it's man or woman, older or younger one. We all need more water, good water, right? So thank you very much. Okay, so we will end here. Anything to add on, Sifu Nick?
No, we just sharing. It's good. We will see you guys next week.
Okay,
Monday again.
So you can unmute yourself. You want to say goodbye to all of us? You can unmute yourself. We will end it here. Thank you, Najim. Thank you, Dr. Najim.
Thank you, Sifu Jin.
Thank you,
Sifu Nick.
Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye. Thank you, guys.
Keep sharing.
Amazing story today.
Thank you, Jackson.
Thank you, Nicholas. Thank you, Sifu Chin.
And Andrew didn't get a chance to talk. He very lonely.
Happy ending.
Happy ending.
All right. Good night.
Okay, good night, guys. Good night.
Good night, everybody.
Okay, drink water. Drink water.
Drink water.
Don't forget.
Don't forget 1 hour before. 1 hour before, yes.
Try out. Next week is Mandarin. Another week we'll come back. We're gonna do it again, Chin.
We haven't decided, but
okay.
But definitely there will be more sessions going on. Not necessarily men or women. Maybe it will be mixed.
So
definitely there will be a lot of sharing sessions.
Yeah. So if next week is Mandarin, another week come back. So I want testimony. If those try tonight, let me know what happened. Hey, I tell a lot of men, don't dare to say I'm the only one direct.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, everybody. Okay. Good night. Good night.
Good
night. Good night.
Bye.
Everyone.